If you want to see more DIY hacks, please subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Today I'm super excited to show you a DIY eyeliner or a kajal that I use every day. If you're tired of using sulfate loaded products in the market like me, you should definitely try this out. Let's get started guys. For this you need either 1 or 2 oil lamps. We are going to fill this lamp with mustard oil, and you can use a wick which is either made of cotton or muslin cloth. I used the muslin cloth, and pour enough oil in order to retain the flame for like 20 to 25 minutes, and to provide the support use steel or copper utensils. When you place the plate on the flame, make sure you leave enough space for the lamps to be lit for about 20 to 25 minutes to collect enough coal for us to make the kajal. Once the plate has cooled down, you can scrape off the coal from the plate and put it onto a container you wish to store the eyeliner. Now let's move on to the next step. Let's burn an almond until it becomes pure black in color. This increases the pigmentation and makes sure the eyeliner is smudge proof. Make sure you make it into a fine powder so that when you apply it doesn't hurt your eye. To prepare the kajal, let's mix a few drops of ghee or clarified butter to the coal that was collected and add the almond powder to this mixture and mix really well until you get this consistency. This is the consistency I want for a gel liner or a kajal, and if you want a liquid liner, you can add more ghee to the mixture. Now to use the kajal or eyeliner, you can either use a non-pigmented sketch pen like I'm using, or use an eyeliner brush if you have one, and then apply the eyeliner and kajal like you normally do every day. As you can see, it's super easy to apply. It is like any other branded product that you get in the market, just that this is chemical free, and that is super cool. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.